Hello students, so today we're continuing with the SQL query commands. So in the previous video we have created the table teacher using the select keywords. So all the queries that were seen were based on the select keyword, which does not make changes to the original table. So today we're going to learn about the update command. So this update command modifies the rows or the tuples or the records in the table. Right, it may be one tuple or more than one tuple. So this update command is part of the data manipulation language, that is the DML command. So now this is how we use the update keyword command. So like update, right? So update, and then here when we use the update, so we mention the table name. So we mentioned the table name, and along with that we use the set keyword, the set clause, which is associated with the column and the new value that you want to assign to enter in the table. So like update table name set, and then suppose like I want to change the name Sankita. Okay, Sankita set t name equals to uh, sa Sankita. Okay, Sankita Kumari, say I want to change it to Sankita Singh. Alright, and then we use this where clause because based on this condition, um, it searches for unique value which will assign it to that particular row. So like here it can be t name. So here say like it can be t number, it can be t name, it can be t address, it can be salary, provided the salaries are not same, or the department number. But department number here you can see that it is repeated. So like uh, if it is department number, then what will happen is that all the names will get changed to Sankita Singh, like that. So like where t name equals to Sankita Kumari. So now Sankita Kumari is unique. So now, so since Sankita Kumari is unique, or suppose like T05 is unique, so uh, that particular row data only will be changed for this particular T name. So now we make the changes, we run this, and you can see that one row updated. So if you run this, select star from teacher, then you can see that previously it was Sankita Kumari, now it has changed to Sankita Singh. Right, so now let's say that I want to change this to let's say that I change this T name based on Sankita Kumari. Now I change to, so now based on not T name but let's say T number, where T number equals to, or was it, oh, what was T number? I think it was T05, or was it T04? Let's just check once. Okay, T05. So we change it back, revert it back to Sankita Kumari, and then where T number equals to T05. One row updated. Now we check this, and so you can see that based on the column, it may be the teacher name, it may be the teacher number. Based on that unique data value, we change it back to Sankita Kumari. All right, so that way you can make changes to the other columns data also. Suppose like we can have we can change multiple columns also, right? We can change multiple columns in the same uh, for that same particular row also, that is by using the comma operator. Or we can also increase the salary also or decrease the salary also based on that. Suppose like using the update command again. So like update teacher, okay. Now set salary equals to, say, to increase the salary we have to mention the salary column, salary plus 1000, where t number equals to t05. So now what we do is that we simply run this, and one row updated. And if we see this, so Sankita Kumari got an increment of 1000, so that now before it was 17,800, now it changed to 18,800, right? So likewise we can do multiple manipulation on the same row by, say, like update teacher set salary equals to salary by, let's say, let's increment again by 1000, okay. And then using the comma operator, so we can manipulate two columns at the same time. Then set salary plus 1000, all right. And then t name equals to Sankita, I think it was Kumari, right? Kumari, where t number equals to t05. One row updated. So if you check this, so now oh yeah, wait, it was yeah, we changed that to Sankita. So like, let's say that, okay, I'm getting yeah, let's say let's give a different title. So salary plus, or we will reduce the salary minus 1000, and then Sankita Das, okay. So now this is a unique one. So now if we see the table, so now you can see that it has changed, two column data has changed, that is Sankita Das, and then the salary also got reduced by 1000. All right, so this way we can update multiple columns in the original table. Right, so this update command can be used with different clauses, okay. Like if you see in the textbook, you will see that it is used with the null clause also, right. And it is used also to make changes to the date, that is, or it can be make changes to the department number, to the salary, to the address, to all the columns by using this update command. So since once you have created table and you have inserted the data, if you use the insert command, the insert keyword, what you are going to do is that you're going to only add more rows. So if you want to make changes, or if you have made an error in the data and you want to make changes or edit the data already in table, the only way to do is by using the update command. All right, so that way you can make changes to the data that is stored in the original table. Okay, so next is we have is the group function. All right, so I'm going to explain some group functions on that. Now group functions are used as for these mathematical functions. All right, so using these group functions we can find the aggregate. Like the first one is like we can find the average of the salary also. So that is also very simple. So for that we use the select command. So suppose like select, to find the average of the all the teachers, we can just write select avg and then salary from teacher. So now this gives the average salary of all the teachers combined. So all the teachers salary that is getting, this is the average salary that you combined of all the teachers. All right, so this way we use the group functions. All right, so this will calculate the average for that particular column, for that salary column. Okay, so similarly we can find the if you see in the textbook there, you can find the maximum salary also, you can find the minimum salary also by just by changing this to uh, max. So the maximum salary is 27,000, or we can find the minimum salary also. So here the minimum salary is 15, right? So likewise, uh, we can find the max, we can find the mean also based on some certain conditions. So suppose like we have to find the minimum salary from the teacher column based on the department number, right? So here we can use the where clause. So where department number equals to suppose like D0 5, right? So now those teachers who are in department number D05, we can find their minimum salary, who is getting the minimum salary, like that. So here you can see that in department number D05 the minimum salary is this much, right? So we can find the average also like that, we can find the max also like that, and we can find the minimum also in the same way, right? And then we can find the sum also. So the total sum from the salary column or the total sum from the department D05. So this is the total sum from those teachers who belong to the department number D05. Okay. So likewise practice on all of these group functions. In the next video will continue with the group functions, all right, and some other operators close also.